video, let's take a quick look at the new LasFit Model Y floor mats. As you can see, these are both the front and rear seat configuration. They also have available the rear cargo mat section if you want to as well. I will not be reviewing that in this section. All right, let's take a look inside the box and see what we have here. As you can see, nicely packaged away, easy to open. All ready, set to go. As you can see, front and rear put in the package here all together. Here we got the one front mat, very nice, looks like. And then we have the second one. Looks like it just got inverted during shipping, no big deal there. And then finally we have the rear seat. So it'll go in the back row as well. So as you can see, you've got front, driver, passenger, rear seat configuration. Nice solid rubber material here. You can see already etched out. Designed to fit in very nicely. In addition, you have your user manual, including the warranty and return policies, company information, installation instructions. So let's go ahead and put these in the Y and see how they look. All right, so as you can see, install is really straightforward. First of all, make sure your other floor mats are out. Obviously, you don't want to install these over your prior ones. So make sure they're out. Take a look at which one's the passenger, which one is the driver's side. Move your seats all the way to the back from the front. So think about your front install. Move those seats all the way back. Make sure you have enough room to get the mats in. Then you can put them back to the original place. Same thing with the rear ones. Move the seats all the way forward. Drop the liners in, move the seats back to the normal place, and you're good to go. Make sure that obviously they are out of the way of the accelerator and the brake pedal, and then you're good to go. So, all right, let's go throw them in. All right, so on the driver's side, what we're gonna do is simply slide the mat in, and you're gonna bring it in just under your pedals there. Drop it down in alignment so that it fits very nicely into the different sides. What you can also do is simply just drop this tab here, if you want to, right under this little lip, and they give you an additional little coverage right there, and you're all good. Like you can see, clearly out of the way of the brake pedal, out of the way of the accelerator pedal, fits very nicely over your footrest here. Nice and neat fit all the way around, nice and sturdy. You can hear that here, solid rubber fit. Very nice and neat inside the driver's side. All right, so you can see I put the passenger seat floor mat in the exact same way as the driver's seat. Again, a little lip here can slide right underneath the plastic piece there. Holds it in place very nicely. Fits nice and neat all the way around the edges. Again, I move the seat all the way back to do the install. I will return it back to its original place now that install is done, but you can see good coverage all the way around the edge with the lip. And again, nice solid rubber fit there all the way around the passenger side. So again, if you want to see the actual install, go look at my driver install, but passenger works the exact same way. Okay, for the rear seat install, to make my life easier, I push the front seats all the way forward, so I have as much room as possible to work here. So I'm simply going to take the floor liner here, and I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to slide it in with the center point as my point of alignment. Lay out the driver's side, come over here, bring it over across, simply lay out the passenger side, slide it forward into place. And as you notice, right there, nice snug fit all the way around. Again, nice alignment, lip along the edge to add additional coverage. And what I'll do is return my seats back to their original position. Quick and easy, really easy to go. Again, nice solid rubber fit and protection for the rear seat. All right, so there you have it. The LasFit Model Y front and rear seat floor mat protectors. Really nice all season protection. Also, they come in at a really nice price point, right around that $120, $130 mark for the front and rear. Again, you can also get the cargo mat protector as well. You can see I return my seats back to their normal position for driving. Really nice coverage all the way around. By the way, if those of you have a Model 3 instead, or like me, a Model 3 as well, they also make the Model 3 mats that you can find as well. So be sure to look them up. Again, LasFit. The floor mats, all weather protection, floor mat sections.